no easier. So today's video is just going to be about all the training that I do on my Sunday, my regular Sunday. So we're just starting on the indoor gym because it's winter outside and we're trying to do some barefoot running and such. So just going to run around this indoor running track, just warm up with the shoes on, as you can probably see, just to get muscles warmed up before we start doing any other exercises. So now I just switched, took my shoes off and just running barefoot. Did about 1 kilometer in shoes and now probably just do a kilometer or so in barefoot. So the reason for doing it barefoot is you can't run with bad form with no shoes on. So nowadays most of our running shoes have got huge cushioning, and when you're landing on your heel, you're putting, normally it means your foot is before your weight, so you're putting a lot of stress through the knee. And the whole thing with running barefoot is if you try running barefoot and land on your heel, you'll feel a lot of pain going through your knee. So running barefoot, it teaches you to land with your feet underneath your body, but also landing on the mid to forefoot where there is no strain. Plus you're also teaching all those micro muscles and tendons and ligaments that are in your feet that get very lazy in a cushioned shoe to start working again. So it can improve your stability also. Barefoot running done, that's good. Now just to do some drills, and the same ones that we did last week, but I'll show you just quickly a few of them that I'm gonna do. So just done with all the exercises, and now after all of that strengthening work, it's good to just turn the legs over, get them moving, let the blood flowing around the legs, and just cool down. So about 5 minutes of just jogging. Done at the gym, really good. So now just going to walk home, get some nice lunch in, and we'll see if we're going to go for a run this afternoon, just to get the legs moving. A little bit of an easy run. I've got a little bit of a knot in my left hamstring, and I just wanted to show you a really useful and helpful tool and way to get around it. What you do is just massage yourself with it. So you apply pressure to wherever it is, so you can lie on the floor and just put it underneath. But what I do, because the hamstring and the glute area is quite hard to get to if you're on the floor, is just sit on the edge of a table. Obviously you need a sturdy table. Just put the ball on the table and underneath the area, and just elevate yourself a little bit and just spend some time rolling around. And when you find the spot, just take some time there. And another good thing to do in practice as well is so once you find the spot, is to move the leg. Do it in different directions, and it can get deeper into the area. And there you have it. That is a really good tool. Okay, one thing just to bear in mind, obviously I am not a doctor, so I do not know the extent of your injury or circumstances, so please just consult whoever, whatever, and do your own work as well. This is what works for me, and I know it's just a little knot and not an actual tear or an injury, or a deep injury, so I know this is suitable. I said I was going to go for a run earlier on, but I decided otherwise because I've already done 70 kilometers this week, and it's kind of a first training week. I don't want to go way too over an incremental increase. So today I decided to not run, and instead I'm going to go for some recovery and go in the ice hole and do maybe 3 or 4 minutes of just sitting in the ice or frozen river back here. No easier. Body's feeling warm. Deep breaths in, little breath out. Helps the oxygen get around. I just spent 4 minutes in the water, and the funny thing is, it's so cold, but after a while you just become comfortable with it. It's not just the numbness, but you start to feel warm, or I guess maybe you're in control of your mind and in control of things again. But you get out, and yeah, sure, you start to feel cold, but I think it's also important to just stand outside for a bit, and your body starts to warm up. Just amazing. I can feel the sensation of everything coming back and the warmth through my body. Just got to enjoy the moment, and what a great moment it is.